In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, launch your keyboard and click on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher to activate it and go back thanks to this arrow. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later, you need to click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner. Click on your text and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, tap on the pen, tap on your text and use bin icon. To disable Clipboard, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!